All right, we got our postman table. It folds up nicely like you can see here. I'll show you how easy it is to set up. This works great for, you know, if you have a small space, if you have a garage to store something in, but maybe not have a ping pong table set up all the time. You can use it in your garage, you can use it in a basement, in a kitchen, really wherever you want. Store something in, but maybe not have a ping pong table set up all the time. You can use it in your garage, you can use it in a basement, in a kitchen, really wherever you want. So it's the perfect solution for having a ping pong table when you don't want to have one that's there all the time. So it's super easy. You just unfold it, fold the legs out. You're just pulling out the legs there. Gotta lock the legs. Then we're gonna flip it up. Table's ready. And now we're gonna just add the net, which comes with the table. And it's as easy as just hooking it in. And then you are ready to play all sorts of fun ping pong games. There you go.
Sorry, did I get the wrong side?